What if bigger tomatoes, greener leaves, and stronger growth could start with one natural mix? Many gardeners overlook this simple combination, yet it can help tomato plants grow healthier and more productive. It supports balanced plant nutrition, improves soil health naturally, and helps tomato plants stay vigorous throughout the growing season. But the last ingredient is the real secret that makes this recipe special. First, take 1 liter of water and add 2 tablespoons of rice. As you mix, the rice releases natural nutrients that help feed beneficial soil microbes and support steady root growth. Next, add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Yeast contains natural compounds that encourage stronger roots and help tomato plants make better use of available nutrients. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar. While stirring, remember that sugar acts as food for beneficial microorganisms, helping them multiply and create a healthier soil environment around the roots. At this point, most gardeners think the recipe is complete. But here's the secret ingredient that takes it to the next level. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. As you stir it into the mixture, garlic powder helps support plant health naturally and promotes a cleaner, healthier growing environment around your tomato plants. Mix everything thoroughly and let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. After that, strain the liquid. Now, dilute 1 cup of this liquid in 1 liter of water. Pour it directly around the base of your tomato plants. As it reaches the roots, it helps improve nutrient uptake, supports stronger root development, and encourages greener leaves and better growth. For faster results, pour the same diluted liquid into a spray bottle and lightly spray the leaves. This helps the plant absorb nutrients through the foliage and supports healthy, productive tomato plants. Use this natural fertilizer every 15 days and enjoy healthier tomatoes all season long. Happy gardening!